Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you unlock your temporarily and permanently Snapchat account. Okay, so Snapchat is very big social site. So we used our Snapchat for communicate with our friends and family and with our colleague. Okay, but sometimes we break some Snapchat rules or regulation. That's why Snapchat support team they make our Snapchat temporarily locked or sometimes permanently locked. Okay, so if your account is disabled or permanently locked, then how you solve? Okay, so no need to go through by any developer or no need to go through by any hacker for get back your Snapchat. You can very easily unlock your account from your device or from your laptop. So I gonna teach you how. Okay, so first of all, I request you, if you're very new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and try to watch full video till the end, because if you skip the video you can miss out any important topic. That's the reason maybe you can't unlock your account. Okay, so what do you need to do? First you need to go your Google Chrome, then write here support.snapchat.com. okay, then this interface will be come out on your screen. Okay, so then you need to click on here, then you need to click on troubleshooting. Okay, so watch carefully. Okay, don't skip this video anymore. Then troubleshooting, click on troubleshooting. Then you can see here many of option. Okay, so here is a write down how you can see here how you account going to locked, how they locked your account. This is the region here. Okay, so you need to click on here the first option, login and new account troubleshooting. Okay, so and then you need to scroll down, scroll down, watch carefully. Okay, then you can see here the Snapchat account may be locked. The Snapchat account may be locked, and then you need to click on here what to do if your Snapchat account is locked. Okay, so I click here, then you can see here few of region why your account is going to locked. So and then you need to scroll down and you can see number 4 option. We have detected your account might be compromised and entails a protected lock. So you need to click on here, reach out to our support team, and then you can see a few of option here. If you forgot your account, you can very easily get back your account. Then you can sometimes face you can't sign up, or I can't verify my email or mobile number. I think my account was hacked, or you can see here I don't have my login verification code, or my account is locked. I see an error message when I log in, or I want to delete my account. So what you need to do, you need to click on here. You need to click on here, I think my account was hacked. If you click on here and reach out and take support, then you can very easily get back your Snapchat account. So how? I show you now. Okay, so and then you need to scroll down. You can see here, need help with something else, then you need to click on here, yes. Okay, this is the final step. This is the final step. So you need to put your username, you need to put your email address, and then your phone number, which number you use for Snapchat, create, and what information should we know. So this information is very important. This information is very important. Even though this three is okay, this three is okay, this three is okay, but your information is not suitable, then they don't get back your account, or you can say that you can't get back your account anymore. That means support team, they don't unlock your account if you can't write down right information. Okay, so what you need to do, I just teach you now. So if your account is locked, you need to fulfill username, email, mobile number, then what information you need to write down. Now I showing you. Okay, so you need to write down here. Okay, try to watch full video, don't skip anymore. So you need to write down here, I believe that my Snapchat account was hacked. You can put one good word here, mistakenly. Locked by the server. And then I'm sure that I did not use any third-party apps. So you need to promise them. Then the thing, so kindly unlock my Snapchat account as soon as possible. Thank you. So you need to write this information to them. Then the thing, if everything okay, then between 24 hours they will unlock your account, and then you need to send here, send from here. Okay, so if you follow this way, but your account is not yet unlocked, then you can try again 2 or 3 times, and then between 24 hours to 72 hours you can get back your account. Okay, so first of all, if you are very new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like, and if you face any problem